How to set up YouTube Kids on mobile device. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how to set up your YouTube Kids application on your mobile device. So first thing, simply head over to your Play Store and make sure you have successfully downloaded and installed YouTube Kids application. So just tap on open from there and open the YouTube Kids application. So once you're inside here, it will enroll you for the tutorial. So just tap on get started with it and just click on this, and from over here it will automatically select your Google or Gmail account which you are logged into your YouTube, and just click on sign in from over here and just click on more, scroll all the way down. You have to read it like this and click on done, and you may have to provide your password, so let me just enter it. So once you do that, just click on done and it will ask you to enter your child's first name, age and birth month. So let me just fill that real quick. So once you fill all of your details, just click on next and just click on next once again based on your age group of your child. Just click on select from over here and your profile will be successfully created for your child, and just click on next button over here. And if you want your emails, you can also feature the parent tool over here, and if you want email you can just tick on it. If you don't want, you can just leave it for behind, and just like that your app is ready to use. So when you click on settings, it will ask you to verify to confirm whether you are parents or not. So just click on the answer just like this, and just like that you have successfully arranged and set it up your application for your kid. So that's exactly how you can easily set up YouTube Kids application on mobile device. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.